Hello everyone, I'm Patricia, one of the astronomers at the Royal Observatory, and today we're looking back at the historic New Horizons flyby of Pluto. On February 18, 1930, while studying photographic plates of a star field, astronomer Clyde Tombaugh discovered Pluto. Smaller than our moon and billions of kilometers away from us, the best views that we could obtain of Pluto came from the Hubble Space Telescope. In order to unveil the mysteries of this distant world, we would need to send a spacecraft there, and in January 2006, the New Horizons spacecraft launched from Cape Canaveral to begin its long journey to Pluto. New Horizons carried not only a suite of scientific instrumentation, but also a very special payload, the ashes of Clyde Tombaugh. In July 2015, after traveling over 5 billion kilometers, New Horizons reached its target and performed a flyby of Pluto and its moons, collecting over 6 gigabytes of data. Thanks to New Horizons, we now have detailed images of this icy dwarf planet. New Horizons reveals that Pluto is a dynamic world. The iconic heart-shaped region on Pluto, called Tombaugh Regio, is a region full of canyons, plains, and mountains. Well, as for the surface of Pluto, New Horizons spotted evidence of nitrogen ice flows, as well as pits and troughs on icy plains that may be formed by sublimation of volatile ices. And as New Horizons left Pluto behind, it captured this breathtaking image of Pluto backlit by the sun. Water ice mountains over 3 kilometers high, smooth icy plains, and dozens of layers of haze suspended in a tenuous nitrogen atmosphere are all captured in this image. If you'd like to see more images taken by New Horizons, then head to NASA's Solar System website. That's it for today. Join us again soon for another Observatory Online.